Captain Phasma. Welcome back once again to Late Night Unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we bring you one of the best figures from the Star Wars Black Series Wave 2. It's the new 6-inch figure Captain Phasma. So in the front of the box, you get a nice artwork of Phasma with the name of the figure. Then on both sides of the box, the same, you get the name and the number of the figure. This one is number 6. In the back a description that says, clad in distinctive metallic armor, Captain Phasma commands the First Order's legions of troopers. Now, it is time to take it out of the box. This figure is the tallest figure from the Force Awakens toys, which, as you all know, has a very little screen time in the new movie Episode 7. Some people felt actually very disappointed, but this character, portrayed by Gwendolyn Christie, will return for Episode 8, hopefully in a bigger role. Look how well sculpted her blaster is. It's all covered with silver paint and black details on it. Same sculpt as the average troopers. The articulation on the head is pretty good. She has ball-hinged neck, which can move up, down, and to the sides. Now her shoulders. They move outward and forward. Hinged swivel elbows up to 90 degrees. It has nice swivel hinge wrists. Diaphragm joint that moves from side to side. She will probably try to take her revenge after being thrown into the trash compactor by Han Solo and Finn. Her cape is one solid plastic piece. Her hips only made outward this much as she can kick forward just a little bit. She also has a double-jointed knees. Her ankles move down and up, and it does have ankle pivot. Finally, it does have a swivel at the thigh. See here, you can attach her blaster into her leg, which looks pretty good. Here, you get a closer look at the Phasma. She stands just under 7-inch tall. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching and see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe.